Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Landy Orencio Lico, 39 years old, married, and I have 4 kids, ages 18, 16, 13, and 10 years old. I am a high school graduate.
Please describe yourself.
I am a hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and responsible person.
If you get hard, who will take care of your children?
My husband will take care of my children.
Please tell me about your working experience.
I worked as a domestic helper in UAE for 2 years from 2023 to 2025. I served 4 family members, 1 couple, and 2 kids, ages 3 years old and 8 months old. I do cleaning, cooking, laundry, and ironing clothes. I took care of baby also. Thank you.